You're able to see my screen, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Okay. So it depends on your project. Let's say you are into a design project. Okay. So you have development skills. Okay. Then you have operation skills, and you have cloud knowledge. Okay. So let's say you got a service based company. Okay. So then you have one more called product based company. Okay. So they are into much on their product. Okay. And design and support and research. Okay. This is into a product based company. Service based company. Okay. If you are going for a service based company, so what they will do, they will give the support to a service based company. This is service based company. HCL, Wipro, Infosys.
Infosys.
Okay. Any service
Yeah.
based company. Okay. This is support based. Okay. So product based is they will be much focused on their product and design. Okay. And research. So they will have that allocation. Okay. So now based on which company you are picking up, you are targeting, it depends on that particular role here. Okay. If you are into a product based, okay, so you will be designing, you will have core work on the design part. Okay. Design and research. Okay. And implementation. Okay. So all that work, it will be much more on the development side. Okay. Your 80% work will be on the development side, and 20% will be on the operation side. So now you are joining in a service based company. Okay. So now I will take this as red. Okay. So here you will be working as a, let's say it is a support project. So whenever you join it here, mostly it will be junk work, either junk work or support work. Okay. Which is time
Sir,
consuming.
sir, actually, I think service-based company is the best part of DevOps engineer for learning, for
Yeah, yeah.
high package and skills are growing.
Yeah, that is there. Okay. So here what will happen? Okay. So you will have these guys, they will give you. Okay. So we will be designing our core part. Okay. You take the support here. Okay. So now you will take this support. Now you are into a operations here. Okay. Mostly into 80% operations and 20% development. Okay. So let's say you got the project here. Okay. Which is, there is no design here. Okay. So first phase, you joined in project 1. Okay. There is no design, only support. Okay. You joined in project 2 now. Okay. In the same service based company, you joined project 2. Okay. So here you are design plus support. Okay. So the small company, they wanted to build their application, all that infra, all that support. So now you are going into the design part, where it will be very interesting, and you will be designing all that. Okay. Once the design is completed, it will come to support. Okay. So one project may last for 3 months to 5 years, support contract. Okay. So which part of that project phase you are into, that depends on your role. Okay. So let's say you are working as a DevOps engineer. Okay. So project 1 also completed, project 2 also completed now. Okay. There are no pure DevOps roles here. Okay. So now they will tell, okay, I have AWS cloud engineer in one project, okay. So you manage AWS now. So you go and manage the portal, complete cloud. You don't touch the operations, nothing, okay. We have team there. So I don't want you to be sitting idle here. So you work in this project, we will give you the billing here. So if you are on bench for more than 6 months, they will fire you. Okay, in service based company, so you should be getting billing. Okay, you should be billed. Okay, so either you work in development, okay, or you work in operations, or you work in cloud. Okay, you should be earning some money to the company. If you go on bench, we will fire you. Okay, so it depends on your phase of the project and the customer, who is the client and customer. That is what your role will be. Okay, so you will not be doing any core development here. Okay, so you will be doing some tweaks here. Okay, there will be core developers who will be developing it. So what you will be doing, you will be automating the most of the task here. So shell scripting, you will be using shell scripting for operations, and you will be using for Python to enhance the requirement, okay, or do some cosmetic changes to the development. That's how the work will be there for you, okay, as a DevOps engineer. So it depends on project to project and customer to customer. Someone will not give you any access to the design aspect. Okay, you only do the support work. We will handle all the design work. You just leverage the skills here. So one thing is here, as a DevOps engineer, okay, you will have lot of opportunities. Okay, whereas compared to other, you will have cloud skills, okay, and then you will have administration skills, then development skills. Okay, so you will have opportunity, you will go interviews here also, you will go here also, and you will go here also. Okay, like that you will have 3 openings here. That is why people are adopting for DevOps here. That's why everyone is looking to take the DevOps course as a first choice. Okay, because even if you are not getting any project inside your company, okay, it is not like you got a job and you are leisure and you are enjoying a lot. Okay, it is not like that. So
Sir, today I have seen that not more opportunities for fresher DevOps engineer. I always seen that 3, 4, 5 year experience DevOps engineer needed.
okay,
What is the scenario that in market and what will be needed by company?
okay, I will tell you what that is. Okay, so for fresher, okay, big companies, okay, they will hire interns, okay, in campus. Okay, they will not call for walk-in. Okay, you will not have any walk-in, because all the hiring process will be done in campus only. All the lateral entries that you see in Naukri or portal, they will ask for 3+, okay, or 5+, or minimum 2+ engineer experience. Okay, so if you have these skills here, multi skills, okay, So then you can go for one specific role. Okay. So they will why they will hire you? Okay. They want to hire in low package. Okay. So you need to have extra skills. Okay. So they will pay a low salary. Okay. Let's say you have I will scroll this. Okay. Let's say you have a lot of skills here. Okay. Like AWS, and then development, operations, then multi-cloud. Okay. And then you have VMware. Okay. Then you have on-premises knowledge. Okay. So what they will see, these stack, they will see, okay, this guy, all this experience, it is close to 5 years. This guy is a fresher, okay, why can't we hire him? So then what they will do, they will hire you as a fresher only. So instead of paying 10 lakhs here, they will give you 3 LPA. Okay. That is how the hiring will work. But you should have these talent here. Then only you will be able to get these opportunity easily. Okay. So some guys will do cyber security. Okay. So I teach cyber security also. Some guys will see cyber security. Entry is hard for every field. Not only for DevOps, even if you do Linux also. Any field you take, Windows or VMware or any cloud, any AI also you take. Okay. So entry will be little tough. Okay. You need to prove yourself with multiple projects and technologies. So whenever we see resume here, just by looking at resume only, we will tell, okay, this guy is not worth. Okay. Let's say you get one guy who is having 5 years of, okay, 5 years of fake experience. Okay. So I am telling you with my experience. If you give me resume, I will tell, okay, this candidate is genuine or fake. I don't have to call that candidate. Okay. Just by looking at the resume, I will tell, okay, this candidate is fake. Even though knowing that people will hire because of the package here. Okay. So this guy, let's say he is a DevOps engineer. Okay. 5 years, he will be asking for 15 LPA. Okay. So whereas fake guy will be asking for somewhere 8 or 6 also, he will be fine. Okay. In package itself, we will come to know, okay, this guy is having little fake experience, 1 or 2 years he has worked. Okay. So then other question, any other question you are having?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
So this is how the market is. You pick up any field. Okay. For entry level, you need to have very tough entry, because there are lot of people who are passed out and they are looking for jobs. Okay. So my role as a tutor or instructor, I am not a marketing guy. Okay. So I will tell what exactly is happening in the market. This is how you need to learn, and this is how you need to scale up. Okay. Even if you are going with the AI and independent learning also, you will not get a real-time experience and scenarios. Okay. So that is one advantage that you will have with a experienced tutor. Okay. So you can do with AI a lot of things you can learn. Okay, online or all you can learn, but realistic scenarios and all that real-time experience you won't get with AI. Okay. That's how it is. Now you let me know what you think on the DevOps course, all that. I will show you the course content, okay, what I have prepared for my students. So you see it here, you have DevOps here, okay. Then you have mandatory concepts. What are the mandatory concepts? Then you have networking concepts, okay. Then Linux, okay. And then you have containerization, Docker. Then you have orchestration, Kubernetes. Then you have Ansible. Then you have Terraform, Prometheus and Grafana. These are all coming under the operations. Once you know all these modules, okay, you have 7 modules here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Once you learn all these 7 modules, okay, so definitely you will get a operations role, okay, as a platform engineer or Kubernetes or anywhere you can go in operations field itself. Then you have development here. So you will be looking at Python and shell scripting. Then you have Postgres database. Okay.
Sir, which role is most demanding?
Which role? Right now you are asking, is it?
Yeah.
See, right now, if you ask, there are a lot of emerging roles and they are declining also. So AI is fastly declining now, okay, because it is prematurely now, people are, companies are not using it now, okay, because it is getting very costly, okay. So you go for anything that is hybrid. You pick up any field, okay, you pick up any field which is hybrid, where you can switch it easily.
Hybrid means that all-rounder type.
Yeah, all-rounded means like all-round.
Development and operation and QA.
Yeah, if you get any opportunity, you will tell, okay, I can do it. If they say, okay, are you willing to do in Linux administration job?
Yeah.
You need to tell, okay, I will do it, no problem. That is how you should be, okay. You should not resist to any of these things, okay. That is where your entry level jobs will be, okay. So one thing is, it will be tough, okay. So if you go to database, okay, so database field will be static, very static, okay. There will be no high demand or low demand. It will be in a flow. That's how the field is, okay. So there are lot of fields which you can pick it up based on your interest, what's your goal, all that it depends. So if you ask me, okay, DevOps will be the right field because you have 3 options here. Just like I explained you, right?
Yeah, sir.
You will have 3 options here open. Okay, you are not closing on any option. You can pick it any one field and you can switch it over after 1 or 2 years. Okay, So if you are not taking DevOps, or let's say you picked up any other testing field or some other field, then all your experience will be irrelevant. Okay, and let's say you are doing as a Linux engineer. Okay, now you want to switch it as a DevOps engineer. Let's say you worked as a Linux admin for 3 years. Okay, now you are going for an interview for DevOps engineer. Now then you will tell, see, I have worked on this environment, I know this, I know this. Okay, that's how you will be doing it. So these are all we will be teaching at. Okay. So you let me know once you decide it.